Is she trying to
I
eat you?
know.
Does she think you're Num Num? She says, this looks like Num Num. I'm going to eat
Real
your
gentle,
cheek."
gentle, Charlotte, gentle.
That's it. Oh, sweet.
Oh, she has a bow on her
Yes,
dress.
she does. Oh, very nice, honey. That's so
Mommy, you
nice.
give me a hug.
She does. If she could, she would.
Don't put your finger in her mouth.
Charlotte, oh, honey, that is so cute. Oh, you're so gentle with her. So nice. She loves you so much.
And nice to meet you, little sissy.
She thinks
Careful,
it's nice
careful.
to meet you too.
What's your favorite?